Well, here we go. We're leaving this harbor, Cove Harbor. Roland's checking on the main. Put it up with one reef in it today. It's still pretty windy and we want to make sure everything's good since we're the ones who put the sail up. Here we are heading west somewhat. We're actually tacking a bit downwind because otherwise our of course front sail doesn't work, so you know a lot of the catamarans do better and sailboats tacking downwind. Of course if I had a whisker pole. I don't think Roland's gonna let me buy another whisker pole. Alright, there's our tack. So we tacked the boat over and yeah, we're just heading towards the tip of Grenada. Let's see if you can see it up here. Yep, there it is. So we're straight ahead and right over there. And there's the rest of the mainland. And the boom's over here. And we're on pretty much a broad reach still, but yeah, we're making okay speed.